we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 5075E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor has just under 400 hours. It's a nice clean unit, 75 horsepower. Work lights on the cab. It's got the corner post exhaust. Tires are excellent. 9524s in the front. This fender did have a little bit of damage here that we did repair, as you can see here. Back tires are 16.928s, also in excellent conditions. You can still see the pips on the tires. Also repaired this fender right here, had a small crack. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms, rear hydraulic SCV. Tractor also has a mid joystick with dual valves. You can easily add a loader to this tractor. Also repaired this fender right here. Toolbox here on the side. Paint's nice and bright on the tractor. Show you the inside of the cab. It's nice and clean in here. Full suspension seat here for the operator. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Also here to the left of the seat, you've got your four-wheel drive engagement lever, your 540/540E PTO selector. Over here to the right, you've got your two main transmission sticks. You've got 3 ranges down below, 4 synchronized gears up top here. Also have your joystick right there. If you want to add a loader, you can certainly do that. It's got 2 valves on that joystick. You can also run hoses to the rear. If you need more hydraulics out the back, you can certainly do that as well. Have your PTO 3-point and hydraulic controls there to the right. Up top, you've got radio, climate controls, sun visor, and rear view mirror. Down below on the floor, you've got foot throttle, individual brakes, clutch pedal, and differential lock pedal. We do take trades. Also, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.